Here we have a 2012 Mini Cooper 1.6 diesel with approximately 81,000 miles on the clock. Right, so I've got this Mini here with the key fob. We've just done a service and we need to reset the light. So pop that in, and without touching any of the pedals, you don't want it to start up, just tap the start button and you'll see it says service there. Also got a fuel warning, washer warning, which by using this BC button on the end of the indicator stalk, we can cancel those out. So we're going to press and hold this for a few seconds. That is an MOT reminder, so that's just been done actually, so I'm going to change that by using the BC button on the end of the stalk. 11, then just let go and hopefully it'll ping across. Yep, 23. Lovely, so that's reset. Then just using the BC button, scroll through again. There's several different messages there. Front and rear brakes, oil service, so I've just done that, so I'm going to hold in the reset button, let it out again, then press and hold it in again. That's it, 15,000 miles. Now pressing the BC button again, scroll through because there's an inspection one there, which, although that looks like it's okay, but I'm going to reset it. Yeah, that's fine. It's the oil one was the main one really, which comes up. And that's everything really. Back to the start. So now, if I turn it off, take the fob out, put it back in, I'll start the car up this time. And the word service has now disappeared. We've just got a fuel warning and a washer warning, so I'll top up the washers, but I'm certainly not topping up the fuel tank. Hopefully that'll help you. Well, thanks for watching. Hopefully the video's been of some help for you. And if it has, please consider hitting like and subscribe. It will help our channel out no end. Cheers.